Hey folks,
Hello.
I got this inlay from Into Resin.
You did.
I will link the video in a card somewhere,
The
but
official video.
the official video.
Yeah.
But I was perplexed by it because it's a really thick inlay. So I wanted to do, my plan was to do an ocean thing with it. And well, let's see how that goes, shall we? So the first thing I did is I took out my moulds and shapes. Now I'm not sure what the name of this mould is, but it's a moulds and shapes mould. And it's designed, you can see I'm drawing around one that I made in another video.
Yeah, that was your ocean
That was
or
my
sea
first
one.
ever ocean kind of thing.
Yeah.
So I drew round it and then I started to cut it out.
Yeah.
And then decided that I wasn't very good at it. So what I then did is I got Kirk to do it, and he did it really well. He did it really well. Yeah.
Yes, I did.
So
Now, in all fairness, it is a really nice
it's a beautiful
inlay.
it is a beautiful
It's
inlay.
just a shame that it's like
So thick.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I had a plan. And yeah.
As plans go, it was a good plan. I think the execution is what happened.
As always. So I mixed up some resin and then I added a little bit of fine rainbow sparkle into it because,
Why wouldn't you?
well, everything needs sparkle.
Everything?
Everything.
Really?
Absolutely everything needs a bit of sparkle. Yeah.
Okay.
This is a fact.
Is it now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A well-known fact. Everything needs
a bit of sparkle. So what I'm doing is I am adding the inlay in reverse.
Okay.
So the pattern part is on the bottom.
Yeah.
And the flat part is at the top because the inlay is so thick. Had I have put that into the mold, that would have been it. I wouldn't have had any room for any resin. So, there was that.
Well, you can see how thick it is there because of the lip.
Yeah. Yeah. So, I've got this beautiful, beautiful pattern. I mean, it is really nice, which is why I do eventually go on and just cast my own inlay from a master.
Yeah.
Because it's more the thickness
It looks really good.
But it is really, really pretty. So there's a couple of areas that I'm not excessively happy with, but I can live with it. At this point, I'm like, I can live with this.
Okay.
I can deal.
I can deal.
I can deal with it and I can cope.
Okay.
So I just had a quick clean up of the edges because it's one of my best molds. So,
Yeah.
You can see that the little hook areas are blue, and all I've done there was some clear resin and I just added a tiny bit of blue glass shard sort of thing.
Right, okay.
It's the reason why I'm not making any deal of it because you don't see them in the final piece.
Or any of this.
Well, no, you do, ish. You do see some of this in the final piece. Yeah, you do.
Do you?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sure?
I'm absolutely 100% certain that you do see some of this in the final piece. Stay tuned.
Okay.
So, I'm using a beige from Just Resin.
Again.
Now, they call it beige, but I don't think it's beige. It's a sand colour.
Caramel.
It's sandy colour, right? And it's designed to go where sand is. So, I dug out my trusty bag of sand.
Yeah.
And I want to put like a beach area in. So at the moment, I'm still going with the bulk standard beach and sea.
Beach and sea.
Yeah,
okay.
I just had a beach and sea theme going this because it was so hot. And and this time last year, we were in Greece and all I wanted to do was be back there. Like, literally, I just wanted to shut my eyes, click my heels and be in Greece. That's what I wanted. Spoiler, it never worked. Not once. No. So this was as close as I'm getting to a beach this year. Making them.
I could have...
Now, for transparency, if anybody is wondering, it is not the same.
Is it not?
No.
Okay.
No.
I could have got some sand and just put some in the garden, and then just got a little paddling pool.
A little paddling pool.
Yeah. Then I could have got some... I could have played some ocean waves for the speakers.
I don't feel that would be the same.
No?
No. I mean, call me a killjoy, but no. I don't feel that that's the same.
No?
Anyway, excuse me. I've added in some sand and some of the sandy colour. And I'm just sort of mixing it all. Now, at this point, I'm still thinking that this is the back of the piece.
The back of the piece?
Yeah. So the front of the piece is in the mould.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It does. I can see a couple of flaws in that.
Okay. Well, we'll get to the flaws in a moment.
Okay.
Most of them will become apparent. So firstly, where I left that sand to dry, it spilled over. And I was like, that's just so rude. But I can again, at this point, I'm still quite optimistic. I can deal with it. So I mixed up some more resin.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I think it was about 300 grams I mixed up. It's quite a bit.
Oh, was it? Oh, yeah, because you've got all the little...
No, it wasn't.
Tubs.
It was about 220 grams.
Okay.
Because I used a small pot. And then I dug out my colours from Just Resin. So I've got a Lagoon, a Turquoise.
Yep.
A Reef.
Reef. Well remembered.
I know. It's there's Lagoon.
And what was the last one you used?
The first one was dark turquoise.
Oh, okay. And
this one is Bermuda Bay. And they are really nice colours, to be fair. They are really, really, really nice colours.
No, these are all from a specific set, aren't they?
They are from their ocean set, yeah. And they're not luster either. They are just the standard.
The pastel.
Yeah, and the reason I got the standard colours is because if I want to make them a luster, I can add in some pearl macro from Jacquard.
Yep.
But if I want to have them as a flat colour, I can. I've got that option, which I like. I like options. So still at this point, I'm quite happy. I'm like, yep, this is okay. I can. I'm dealing.
You're dealing.
I'm dealing.
Okay.
And then I sort of, I needed it to blend a little bit more.
Okay.
So I took the rubbish heat gun, which I still have.
Yeah. So while Nikki is using her rubbish heat gun, I would just like to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us and allowing me to mock Nikki for not having a decent heat gun.
Well, yeah. Anyway.
Thank you very much.
So at this point, I'm on the whole, let me see, maybe 10% happy with it. 10% happy with it, but I'm persevering because I'm like, this is not going to get the better of me. This is going to work. It has to work.
Okay.
So I took some clear resin.
Yep.
And I added in a little bit of the dark blue and a white, just to give it a bit of sparkle. A bit of sparkle.
Okay. Because everything needs a bit of sparkle.
Everything needs sparkle. Yeah.
Okay.
Of course it does.
Yeah. No.
Always. And then once that was dry, I thought, I'm gonna have to make a decision about this, and my decision was, I don't like it. I'm not happy. I don't like it.
What don't you like?
I don't like, anything. I think is the fairest way to say it. Okay. I just wasn't happy with anything. And I was looking at it and I was thinking, there's not a lot I can do to save it as is. So
you can't see the ripples there either.
No, you can't see the ripple. There's just nothing. There's nothing about it right now that makes my heart sing. It's too good to put in the Bruno box because it's a moulds and shapes piece, but yeah, I was just like,
I like the top bit because it looks with the sparkles and that, it looks like it's a cloudy night.
It
And then the
does.
top bit is just the cloud.
Yeah.
They've broken, and you can see the
Yeah, I can see that.
night sky.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see where you're going.
Mm.
So I thought, right, there's only one thing for it. We've got to essentially almost start again, but not quite.
Now,
know.
see, you're using the nice
Yeah,
one
because
there.
what happened at this point is I was like, what's the reason this piece is rubbish is because I've had to use the rubbish heat gun.
Is that right?
And I stole the good heat gun off of Kirk's desk.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And if you're wondering, yes, it's still by my desk.
Is it?
Mm.
We'll have to sort that out.
So then I took some more of the colours.
Yeah.
And I put it over the wet clear resin that I've already put on it because I thought I need it to just blend that little bit more freely.
Okay. So you've put that in there as a
yes,
as a mixing medium.
It's basically to make the colours move around a bit more.
Okay.
And then I took some titanium white, which is also by Just Resin, and I would say that my intention was to do waves, but I think realistically I'm not that great at them. So my intention was just to make it
white lines.
was to do white lines.
Yeah.
My intention was that it looks a bit like, so I've completely got rid of the whole beach part. That's just gone.
Well, I don't know, it's still at the bottom.
Yeah, that doesn't
Well,
it doesn't stay. And what I'm going for is a complete sea. I just want sea. I don't want any beach. I just want the sea.
okay.
And I want it to look like it's
Like a rough sea.
I don't want it to be a stormy sea.
Yeah.
But I don't want it to be a calm sea. I want it somewhere in between.
Okay.
And the reason I stole Kirk's heat gun is because he's got that. You can see there's like that silver thing on the end of it that gives you a bit of.
The nozzle.
It gives you control over how the whole thing points and moves.
I've got one for the other one.
Around.
I'll dig it out for you.
I wish you would.
Yeah.
Because that's what I need.
I'm sure. Yeah, it's around somewhere.
It's in a safe place.
Yeah, but the thing is, with my safe places, I actually can retrieve them.
Let's see. Let us know in the comments how quickly you think Kirk will retrieve my nozzle.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, at this point I've given up on it being, a work of art.
Okay.
And I was just I got to really quite enjoying just
playing around with it.
Yeah, it was actually good fun.
Seeing where it took you.
Yeah, I can see why people do fluid art and all that sort of stuff. I totally get it now. Never really got it before, but now I do.
Okay.
And I thought, wow. So I was just sort of wiggling it around with my fingers and moving it about, and just because I thought it's going to self-level anyway. It's really nice and, wet, and it is going to self-level. And then I looked at how much waste there was on my mat, and I was like, oh, no, I can't be having that.
Oh, no.
So I actually, yes, your eyes did not deceive you. I actually scooped it up with my finger and put it into a pot, and I made a turtle.
Shocker.
Not the original turtles. This is a different turtle.
Because you've lost those.
My original turtles are still missing. I have not as yet received a ransom note. Anyway, I thought once it was dry, I thought I could do with putting something on it just to give it that bit of something.
Something.
As Claire would say, something.
Uh-huh.
You can't even do it. But I've got this sort of blue chrome shiny vinyl.
Yeah.
And I printed out All Tides Turn.
Okay. Yeah.
Because it's a phrase that meant something to me. So that's what I did.
Okay.
And then I cut it, weeded it, and then I made Kirk...
Nikki hasn't got 3 hands.
No, I made Kirk hold it whilst I stuck it down.
Now, while I was holding this down, I did notice that your camera angle was a little off, so I did move it.
Yeah, thank you for that.
You're welcome.
You can now see my pyjama bottoms.
Yeah, that's all right.
Don't look, everybody. And then once that was down, I took some of the Craft Resin tabletop, which is
that's
if you haven't tried it, it's the best tabletop there is. It is nice and thick. It goes up to the edge. It's beautiful, and it cures like glass. I love the stuff.
I've used this a couple of times,
yeah.
and I don't normally do top coats, but yeah, that was really easy.
There we have it. So the decal's not sort of in your face obvious.
Yeah.
But I do feel that for an ocean scene that started off as a complete and utter
train wreck.
Thank you. Yeah. I was looking for an alternative phrase to see you, but I feel it turned out all right. And I was genuinely, I'm actually
looks really good.
Really, really pleased with it.
Yeah, I think that looks really good.
And the all tides turn just means that no matter how bad something is right this very moment, sooner or later the tide will turn.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. So yeah. Let me know in the comments what you think. And that's it. That's it. That's us done for this week.
Yeah.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one.
Yep.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.